In this video I'll be showing you the studio rooms of a hotel. So this is basically the hotel element. Now as you can see, there is a small little kitchen over here. There is an electric cooktop and there is a dishwasher, okay, and there is a refrigerator which is very huge. If you travel and would you like to make your own coffee, tea or your own food, then you can be in a studio apartment. Actually this is the first time that I am staying in a studio by a hotel. Previously I preferred Airbnb until I realized that the owners put exorbitant cleaning fee. Sometimes cleaning fee is per day, sometimes it is per booking. Usually Airbnb, if the cleaning fee is very low, then it is a preferable option, but the owners have power over the cleaning fee, and if they put very high price per day as cleaning fee, then it would be a very bad option. And you can consider this option of studio room by hotel. Now let me show you what were provided. So these items to make tea, and also this machine which might be for coffee, it was made available. We were provided with the paper towels, and then there is a small wash basin in order to wash the dishes by hand if you want to. And also this liquid was provided. This dish detergent which is supposed to be used in the dishwasher is provided. Then there is a scrub pad, this was provided. Apart from that, we have a spare of paper towels, and there is also the purifier, water purifier. Apart from that, these items, as you can see, these are the tiffin boxes which are glasses, those are provided. And here these are amazing cutlery, heavy, very good material. There were 4 cups of Element by Weston, and we have used 3 of them, so you can't see them here. So these are the bowls, kitchen towels. There are 4 glasses that were provided. So I'm mentioning this because I'm going to forget the next time I am planning a trip. As you can see, there is a cutting board, but this one I do not like because this is like a plastic one. But and then there is a saucepan provided by the hotel, and this is a fry pan. Then we have this different types of pans. These are provided by the hotel in the studio room. And the next time you are planning for a trip, so you can watch this video so you know what will be provided in the studio room and what not. And apart from that, there is this, there were 2 chairs, so here you can work. And then there is a very good sofa type chair. Then there is this. Then this is where the magic of our office efficiency is happening right now. Then there are 2 beds. You can decide for a king bed or 2 queen beds, up to you. From that, this is the iron pad or iron table that was provided, and this is the iron, so that was also provided. Apart from this, we have a cupboard, and behind this cupboard we have we have multiple shelves. And let me show you. So multiple shelves, hangers, and then there is a lock box in order to put any items that you want to keep safe. In the bathroom, you are provided with a conditioner and a shampoo and a body wash. Apart from that, you are provided with Neutrogena or some other type of dermatologist recommended facial bar. Apart from that, you are provided with a body lotion. So these are the items. Apart from that, you have the makeup remover wipes and a few towels that are provided. So these are the items that are provided in the bathroom, and let's look at the facilities and amenities. So to talk about the facilities and amenities, we have a gym and an indoor pool in the hotel. I'm going to show you that. Let me cover the items that I bought. So first of all, water bottles, those were not provided. If you want to avoid drinking from tap, and if you want packaged drinking water purified, then you can buy the water from any of the places like HEB or Walmart. Then I have bought baking soda. This is in order to clean the strawberries or any types of berries or any fruits that you bring into the studio room, to clean the fruits out of insecticides or pesticides. I am going to use this baking soda. And apart from that, I brought some fruits. Other fruits are in the refrigerator, and this is tea powder, and I also brought tea strainer and sugar, and these are the fruits: strawberries, some other fruit juices, and milk. So these are the items that I have to uh, have usually in my studio room. And also you can get the food delivered into the hotel lobby. So this is the food from outside. So I mean from restaurants and good places that you want to eat the food from. It's a sliding door. Actually, purchasing plastic water bottles for drinking water can be avoided, as the hotel has the filtered water from the kitchen faucet. So this is basically the kitchen faucet, and it has under the sink filter, and the water is getting filtered, and this is filtered water in case of the studio room in the hotel. So you can avoid purchasing the mineral water. We have ice dispenser, one in every floor, just beside the room.